Russian climb with a twist. You are going to set yourself up same as a Russian climb. So Russian climb, whatever foot is on top, the opposite hand will flamenco grip. The other hand will come to the heart as you twist around until you come neutral to grab. Lift the knees to release. Let's see that again. Remember, whatever foot is on top, opposite hand flamenco, other hand to the heart, twist around. So this can be really hard on the shoulders, so you want to be really prepared for this. If you have a hard time with shoulder strength and wrist flexibility, here's a little switcheroo that you can do, this grip here. So you're going to flamenco the first hand, and then the other hand will come through, but instead of twisting, you'll just kind of grab it thumb down, and then twist around it and grab again until you can come neutral. Let's see that again. Flamenco, thumb down, grab neutral, knees up. To view the entire video, follow our YouTube link. Also subscribe, follow, and like Flying Fitness. See you soon.